How to delete Valorant completely. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can delete Valorant game completely. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to delete our Valorant game completely, it is actually quite very simple to do so because the easiest way to delete Valorant game, because you might have downloaded it from a Riot Games launcher, but the easiest way to delete it is using a control panel. So open up control panel on your computer like this by going to the search tab. Once you do that, here under the programs tab, you'll find uninstall a program. So make sure to click on uninstall a program. Now here you'll find a list of all the games and everything that you have downloaded. In this case, depending upon the Valorant game that you'd like to uninstall. Now in my case, I have already uninstalled and deleted it. Assuming this is the Valorant game, you just want to click the uninstall option, then click the yes option, and then just follow the instructions to delete that particular Valorant game. You'll particularly find them over here. This way you'll be able to delete Valorant completely on your computer. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.